Thank you so much sa ating aming Engineer Benny. Kumusta na kabaranggayan? An angry silence lay where love had been, and in your eyes a look I've never seen. If I had found the words, you might have stayed. But as I turned to speak, the music played. As lovers dance their way around the floor, I sat and watched you walk towards the door. I heard a friend of yours suggest you stay. And as he took his hand, the music played. Across the darkened room, the fatal signs I saw. We'd been something more than friends before. While I was hurting you by clinging to my pride, he had been waiting, and I drove him to your side. I couldn't say the things I should have said, refused to let my heart control my head. But I was made to see the price I paid. And as he held you close, the music played. And as I lost your love, the music played. Ayan po ang unang awitin, the music played. Ayan, Happy Mother's Day sa lahat po ng mga nanay at sa lahat po ng mga tumatayong nanay, Happy Mother's Day din. At sa mga magiging nanay, Happy Mother's Day. Alright, kumusta na mga nanay? Ang programang ito, ang mini concert na ito ay para po sa inyo mga nanay. Mga mababait na nanay. May mga mababait na nanay. May mapagmahal. May maalalahanin. Saan po kayo doon? Yung pong iba, sabi nila, hindi lahat ng nanay ay mapagmahal. Hindi lahat ng nanay ay mabubuti. Sabi nung isa, iniwan po kami ng aming nanay, malilit pa po kami at sumama po sa iba. Ay, naku po. Pero kahit ganun po, nanay pa rin po natin siya. Okay? Kasi wala po tayo rito kung wala po sila sa mundo. Ayan. Kung hindi nyo man po naranasan ang pagmamahal ng isang nanay, sana po iparanas nyo po ang inyong pagmamahal o ang pagmamahal ng isang nanay sa inyong mga anak o magiging anak. Okay? Move on lang. Diba? Happy Mother's Day! Nako, umiiyak po ang aking puso dahil wala na po akong babatiin Happy Mother's Day dahil wala na po ang aking nanay. Ilang taon na po pero habang tumatagal, hindi ko siya nakakalimutan. Laging nasa aking dasal at alam kong pinagdarasal din po kami. Kung nasaan man siya ngayon, Alam ko pong masaya na po siya, hindi na po siya nakakaramdam ng sakit, pag-aalala, takot, pangamba. Ayan. Mahal namin po ang aming nanay. Para sa akin po, siya po ang pinakamabait na nanay sa buong mundo.
I love you!
Kaya po ako nagkaroon ng lakas ng loob na kumanta po ng ang ating ina noon. Mga ilang taon na po ang nakalipas. Tamang-tama may tula po si Sylvester Stallone na about ina, kaya ginawan ko po ng kanta. Narito po ang isang awitin para po sa mga nanay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong pagmamahal, mga nanay. Tignan niyo naman po, nakapink ako ngayon dahil Mother's Day, di ba? Salamat po sa aking mga outfit sponsors. Gaano kahalaga ang isang ina? Siya lang ang nagbigay buhay sa atin, di ba? Mula sinapupunan kapag naglihi, nahirapan siya. Mula pagsilang sa'yo nakataya ang kanyang hininga, hanggang sa paglaki mo'y nakaagapay si ina. Hanggang sa paglaki mo'y walang humpay si ina. Sa pagmamahal sa'yo inialay niya ang kinabukasan natin, nakasalalay sa ating ina. Kapag nagkakasakit ka, siya ay nababahala. Hindi nakakatulong sa labis na pag-alala. Kapag ikaw ay umiiyak, ikinikiling ka, di alintana kahit nangangawit na. Hanggang sa paglaki mo'y nakaagapay si ina. Hanggang sa paglaki mo'y walang humpay si ina. Sa pagmamahal at sa'yo inialay niya ang kinabukasan natin, nakasalalay sa ating ina. Sa pagmamahal at sa'yo inialay niya ang kinabukasan natin, nakasalalay sa ating ina. Okay, mga kabaranggayan, nako, shout out na po tayo sa ating mga laging nanonood at hindi po ako iniiwan sa aking mini concert. Salamat po sa inyo. Unahin po natin sa YouTube channel kung saan ang aking YouTube channel ay Ven Bautista aka Chino Romero. Nako, salamat po sa inyo, Beth Figueres. Sabi niya, wow, happy watching again the mini concert of my Sir Idol, the Great Guapo. Yes, you can count on me to be one of your prayer warrior for the success of your upcoming surgery. God is good, Sir Idol. Oy, salamat po. Salamat po, Beth. Yes, malapit na po. Sa May 21 na po ang aking surgery at sana po maging successful. Salamat po sa mga nagdadasal po sa akin. Okay? I really appreciate it. From Yasna Yakayabyab. Happy blessed day sa iyong beautiful mini concert. Thank you. Thank you. God bless you always at iyong family. Uy, salamat po. Ikaw din. God bless din sa iyong family. From Wilma Magtoto, congrats and good luck always to all the chosen top male singers of the week with their amazing voices and different style in singing. Thanks for doing a great job in the field of music industry together with my best singing idol, Ven Bautista, aka Chino Romero. Love you all with all my heart. From Wilma Magtoto. Oy. From Yolanda Hara, wow, I enjoyed watching the advanced presentation of Idol Ven Bautista mini concert. From you, sir, good morning, Idol. Love this beautiful program, DWRS Commando Radio. Love all your songs here. Great voice, Idol Ven. I'm praying for your coming success surgery. May God bless you. Fast recovery. Keep safe always, Idol Ven. Salamat po. Kung sino man po ikaw. Okay, from Wilma Magtoto, again nanood ako, Idol, kahit naka-night duty dahil inaabangan ko ang programa mong mini concert. Oy, salamat Wilma. Alam mo naman, pwede mo naman panoorin anytime. Pumunta ka sa page ng DWRS Commando Radio Global o kaya dito sa YouTube channel pwede mong hanapin. Okay? Ven Bautista aka Chino Romero 3 Decades Mini Concert. Okay? Ganon din sa aking YouTube Facebook channel. From Lucy Hasta Venomic, great song, beautiful singing. Thank you, Idol Ven. When I'm all alone, pretending love would come along, and even when you're gone, still the love lingers on. Then suddenly I face such emptiness. An evening just like this brings loneliness. When I think of you, those words were said as if they're true. We knew our love was too wrong, even though it wasn't wrong. So I'll just put all the stars in a song. It's just a make-believe, but I just can't go on without your smile, without your touch, without your love. It's just a make-believe, but I just can't go on. I need your smile, I need your touch, I need your love. now the night is through. It's time for me to say adieu. I'm longing for the past, but it's just couldn't last. So I'll just put all the stars in a song. It's just a make-believe, but I just can't go on without your smile, without your touch, without your love. It's just a make-believe, but I just can't go on. I need your smile, I need your touch, I need your love. Patuloy po natin basahin ang mga comment ng ating mga followers sa aking YouTube channel, Ben Bautista aka Chino Romero. From Constantino Piala, happy blessed Sunday to you and God bless you always at tuloy ang ligaya sa awit niyo palaging gumaganda. Aba, salamat po Constantino Piala. From a user, good morning po, Idol. Get well soon po, Idol Ben. Thank you for a beautiful voice. I love it. Thank you. Kung sino ka man, pakiayos po yung iyong user. Kailangan gumawa po kayo ng iyong account sa YouTube para makita ko kung sino po kayo nagko-comment, okay? From Manang Florentina at Gerard C. Pin, the most awaited mini concert is here once again. Once again, I enjoyed watching and listening to you, plus the smile fingers as well. Aba. Okay. From Brigida Fabros, wow, congratulations to all superstars this week. Ang galing-galing naman talaga lahat ng mga songs mo listening super. Take care and God bless you, Idol. From Brigida Fabros. From Teresita Agarano of Quebec, Canada, congratulations to all the top new superstars of this week. Great job, sabi niya. Guys, keep on singing, guys. Okay. From Teresita Agarano. From Brigida Pablo, wow, I enjoyed watching the advanced presentation. Ay, talaga po. From Hilda Judah. Di ako late ngayon. On time ako. Good evening, Idol ko. Kagabi, late ako. Sarap pakinggan boses niya, Idol. Na nag-pray na ako kagabi at ngayon. Kaya relax, maganda result ang surgery mo. Ay, sana po maganda ang result nga. Malapit na po. Next week na po yan. Next week na ba yan? Natakot tuloy ako. Happy and blessed Sunday, everyone. Thanks for watching mini concert from Teresita Agarano. From Pen Pass sa Cano Andreusiak. Wow, congratulations to all the superstars this week. Ang gagaling talaga lahat na mga kababayan natin. Super. Take care and God bless everyone. From Mirna Flor-de-Lis, I thought it's too early today. You're right, in the Philippines is already Friday. Over here in California is still Thursday. Aba. Okay, from user, good evening, Idol. Umasa ka lagi namin sama sa aming panalangin. Salamat po. Salamat po. And to Eric Kamanike, pagdasal ka namin sa iyong malapit na surgery. Salamat po. Here's a beautiful OPM to everyone. Come to me and take my hand and be my lady. Truly I must let you know that I'm in love with you. All I want is you. How I need maybe you could lose the pain if you just tell me. Say the words you long to whisper that I want to hear. Something's on your mind, is it hidden in your smile? Be my lady, just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No one's divide us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady, you're the one that I adore, so please believe me. I can never find the courage to resist your charm. Nothing's more divine than each moment. You are mine, be my lady. Just forget the past, it's time to mend your broken heart. No one's divide us now, so dry the tears in your eyes. Nothing can stop us now. I'll give you all I have. Be my lady. Let the sun shine through your heart and make a brand new start. Stay with me each night and day through the rest of my life. Just like a work of art, my love will last until forever. Just like a work of art, my love will last forever.
Alright, patuloy po natin basahin ang mga nasa YouTube channel ko po, Ven Bautista aka Chino Romero. Kung hindi pa po kayo nag-subscribe, please subscribe. At bisitahin po ang aking mga 2,800 songs na nandito sa YouTube channel na ito. Sabi ni, nag-uusap po sila mga kaibigan. Mirna Flordelis, by the way, yes, we will pray for your me also under observation of B cancer but still stage 0. Oh, but doctor said need also to surgery, get well soon for us. Oh my goodness, get well soon. Lagi kitang ipinagpipray, Mirna. Lahat po ng aking mga followers, mga supporters, nasa dasal ko po kayong lahat, lalong-lalo na po yung mga may sakit, yung mga nalulungkot, at yung mga nag-iisa sa buhay. Yun po ang mga dinadasal ko po kayo. Alright? Bakit, Wilma Magtoto, bakit ka maopera sa shoulder mo, idol? I will pray for the successful surgery you will undergo soon. I know that God will take care of you through my fervent prayers. Napunit kasi itong left shoulder ko, idol. Tatlong parts ang napunit dahil nagbubuhat kasi ako ng mabigat sa aking trabaho. So sa trabaho ko po nakuha ito at nung June pa ito na injured. Ngayon lang po ako masu-surgery, mag-8 months na po at hindi po ako makapasok sa trabaho ng ilang buwan na, kaya nabuboard na po ako. Ayaw naman po akong tanggapin ang aking trabaho kung hindi maayos itong aking balikat bago ako bumalik. Yan, hindi ko po maigalaw masyado. Hindi ako makapagbihis kapag hindi ko po tinutulungang itaas itong kaliwang balikat ko. So salamat po sa inyong mga prayers at salamat po sa kay Lord. Masa-surgery na rin po ako. Pagkatapos po ng ilang buwang paghihintay, ganito po kahirap dito po sa Amerika. Alright, ipagdasal ka namin sa iyong malapit na surgery. Salamat po, Erica Manrique. Why need to surgery? I think that's only a third shoulder, Mr. Bautista, because I have also like that before, but I don't like surgery, so they put me to therapy. Tinerapy ako, idol, pero hindi gumana, lalong sumakit. Alright?
Ask me if I love you, and I choke on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than mislead you with a lie. And who am I to judge you on what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see the real you. And sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. And all its tragedy leaves me battling with my pride. But through the insecurity, some tenderness survives. I'm just another rider, still trapped within my truth. A hesitant prize fighter, still trapped within my youth. Sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. At times I like to break you and drive you to your knees. At times I like to break through and hold you endlessly. At times I understand you, and I know how hard you tried. I've watched while love commands you, and I've watched love pass you by. At times I think we're drifters, still searching for a friend, a brother or a sister, but then the passion flares again. Oh, sometimes when we touch, the honesty's too much, and I have to close my eyes and hide. I wanna hold you till I die, till we both break down and cry. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides. I wanna hold you till the fear in me subsides.
Bago tayo mag-jingle mga kabaranggayan, gusto ko pong pasalamatan ang ating mga sponsors na kung wala po sila, wala po ako dito ngayon. I'd like to thank DWRS Commando Radio Staff And of course, Kuya Ed Raposas, Concesa Tugade Balmenia, Florentina Isipin, Cecil Cedeño, Cora Javier of Vienna, Francisca Salcedo, Maris Wolf, Marieta Pangilinan Carino, S. Jilin of Canada, Milagrosa Esteban, Karina Polak, Julie C. Balino, Madonna Aristorenas, Maris Carbonell, Brina Pancito, Juanita Hamilton, Ronnie Silverio, Ben Andrusiak, Jean Borlasa, Estelita Ostiniano, Rosalind Balolong, Conchita Andres, June Mendoza, Ann Estrelianes, Jessil Tabangkerao, Maria Belen, Ronald Maret, Arceli Salazar, Janet Vergara, and Ate Edna Butay. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Gusto ko rin pasalamatan ang ating mga nagko-comment ngayon, yung mga nagsishare ng ating mini concert sa ating mga group. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Yung po mga nagko-comment, nagre-react, salamat po. Yung mga nagbibigay ng stars, thank you. Maraming salamat po at lagi po kayong nandyan. Alright, sino kaya ang aking kaduet sa Komando Radio Jingle? Pinapaalala ko pong nakikinig at nanonood pa rin kayo ng aking mini concert dito lang po sa DWRS Komando Radio 97 kHz. Kabaranggan nyo. This is Van Bautista with
Jess
of
La Union.
Are you ready?
Ready na ba doon?
Komando Radio, DWRS. Komando Radio, Kabarangay Radio. Damdama komentaryo, serbisyo publiko, numero 1 ti Komando Radio.
Solid North Broadcasting System Incorporated, 927 kHz.
Komando Radio, DWRS. Komando Radio, Kabarangay Radio.
Probinsya ngay Ilocosor, Intiro, Tecalopuan, Komando Radio in kay Mangigang.
Manipod siyudad, tibigan, nagraman sa ngalubungan. Komando Radio, akapigsaan. Komando Radio, DWRS. Komando Radio, Kabarangay Radio. Manipod sign on, aging ganat sign off. Dagito'y programa manggagan.
Music entertainment, news commentary, educational game comedy program.
Komando Radio, DWRS. Komando Radio, Kabarangay Radio.
DWRS.
Can dance, every dance with a guy who gives you the eye. Let him hold you tight. You can smile, every smile for the man who held your hand beneath the pale moonlight. But don't forget who's taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Oh, I know that the music is fine, like a sparkling wine. Go and have your fun, laugh and sing. But while we're apart, don't give your heart to anyone. But don't forget us taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, save the last dance for me. Baby, don't you know I love you so? Can't you feel it when we touch? I will never ever let you go. I love you so much. You can dance, go and carry on till the night is gone and it's time to go. If he asks if you're all alone, can he take you home? You must tell him no. 'Cause don't forget us taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, you save the last dance for me. Don't forget us taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, you save the last dance for me. 'Cause don't forget us taking you home, and in whose arms you're gonna be. So darling, you save the last dance for me. Say the last dance for me. Say the last dance, the very last dance for me. Oh, say the last dance for me.
Alright, yan po mga kaibigan ang Save the Last Dance for Me. Ay, napagod ako nun ah. Alright, bago po natin basahin ang tula, mga kaibigan, ay shout out po natin yung mga nanood sa aking mini concert sa live post ng DWRS Commander Radio. Ayan mga kaibigan, meron po tayong 400 react at 356 shares. Aba, ang dami naman. Talaga naman po. Pearl Kagawas Dison na ipapuswa na panagyaman iti danon ko ken ading ko Pearl Kagawas Dison nakadwa kiti music ministry di Jai DWCP ang nagbasaan miti kolehiyo. Kumakanta ken instrumentalist idi aging gana ita. Kaya naman pala magaling si Manang Pearl. Nagbasaan mit ko. Okay? Inyawat kumet tinapudno panagdayaw ken panagyaman iti mabigbig a Prinsipe ti Ilocano songs. Aba, sino yon? Ani Sir Ben. Aba, iti makabukay nga ina panangyipkas iti tunggal balikas. Digiti linya nga ina kimbuksilan iti nanumo adanin ko. Abang kaling naman. Basol ko kadiket na inaw iti natarnaw arik na iti sa sinuman nga agay-ayat iti inna pagraywan nga imnas. Mensahe ni Apo Rene Prinsena. Ayan. Uy, maraming salamat po. Agsurat ka lang tagayem. Nagpintas si panagsurat mo di Daniel. Okay? Shout out to Shirley Aurelio Campano, Nimpa Oblino, Mater Caparos, Marieta Pangilinan. Uy, thank you po sa prayer. Ching Migs, Brigida Pabro, Marilo Tena, Brigida Pabro. Okay, ang dami. Ang daming sticker ni Brigida. Okay, Joseph Olayon, Rosalyn Ragon, Regina Mayone Linaw, Linao o Linao? Did I pronounce your name right? Regina of Misamis Oriental. Okay. Mila Acque. Okay. Si Mila Acque lagi na. Lydia Ronya. Okay. Lydia Ronya. Ang dami. Bakit isa lang ang message? Ang daming, isa lang ang message niya, oh. Pero 100. Ano nangyari sa Facebook? Karen Alcantara Mendoza, Melody Babon, Rene Princena. Oy, meron na naman siya. Oh, yun pala. Okay. Alright, mga kaibigan.
Lonely table just for one, in a bright and crowded room, while the music has become, I drink to memories in the gloom. Though the music's still the same, it has a bittersweet refrain. So play the song the way it used to be, before she left and changed it all to sadness. And maybe if she's passing by the window, she will hear a love song and the melody. And even if the words are not so tender, she will always remember the way it used to be. Friends stop by and say hello, and I'll laugh and hide the pain. It's quite easy till they go, then the song begins again. So play the song the way it used to be, before she left and changed it all to sadness. And baby, if she's passing by the window, she will hear a love song and the melody. And even if the words are not so tender, she will always remember the way it used to be.
Alright, sa ating pagpapatuloy, patuloy po nating shout out yung mga nagko-comment sa ating mini concert na post po ng DWRS Commander Radio Global. Ayan. Si Teresita Katimbang, magandang oras po. Nanonood po ako ng mini concert po. Sinusundan kanina nyo si Michaela. Ako ang galing. Alright. Teresita Katimbang. Okay. Norma Cristobal, nice song, perfect voice. Congrats, Idol Ben. Salamat po. Okay. Kalalabas ko lang sa ospital, na-opera ako, gallbladder, gallstone. Sa awa ni Lord, 1 week pa lang ako nakalabas. Oy, magpagaling ka ha. Magpagaling ka at makinig ka lang ng aking mga awitin upang gumaling kang mabilis. Alright, magpagaling ka, okay? Lydia Ronya, DWR's mini concert. Ben Bautista, kay Chino Mero, take care. Bebe Chill. Oy, Per Kagawas, Tison from the Idol of the Smil Superstar, galing, applause sa lahat. Aba naman. Lydia Ronya, stick song, nice lyric, loud sounds. DWRS concert, Ben Bautista. Ay, salamat po. From Manang Florentina, Charar Sipin, bravo to all the featured mule superstars of the week. Aba, talaga naman. Oo. Yan, Amalia Corpus, wow, Idol Ben, nice song, Idol. Love it, watching from Laguna. Kumusta po kayo dyan sa Laguna? Estelita Ponce, nice song, Idol. Francis Miranda, wow, congratulations, Ma'am. Corazon Javier, aba naman. Blessing Tabuhara, ingat po lagi, Idol Ben. God is be with you. Protect yourself. Salamat nga pala kay Francis Miranda, ha, sa pag-mention ng kanyang mga kaibigan. Blessing Tabuhara. Mimi Ibarientos, wow, galing naman, sarap naman makinig ng awitin mo. Salamat po. Francisca Salcedo, goodbye, next week again. Aba, nag-goodbye ka agad? Okay. Alright. Merly Balao, Ponce, Bisaya. Sino pa ba ang mga nandito, mga kaibigan? Cel Cassia, Nida Hamero de la Serna, Arcelita Perez Contreras Almeida. Idol, pwede bang humiling sa'yo ng one kanta mo para sa aking apo na may birthday sa 17? Aba, happy birthday po sa inyong apo, anuman ang kanyang pangalan. Alright, Maridel Ilar Socias, good job, Idol Ben. Thank you po. Lebra Boton, Antoque Ayuban. Okay, Idol Go. Prince Priscilla de la Riman. Sino pa? Maya Tejares Juda, Catherine Bautista Caraang, Jasmine Kimbal, Denya LM Bravo daw, Lucy De Gia. At to'y kidani naman ang Florentina Charar Sipin, Manipulity, Virginia, USA, na Paul Waniti. Nanang, ang nagpaiduma. Nalakang ako na amay saka nga ina. Ipay mo ti kabailam, nagsapol ti pagbiag da. Double job, pay ti aramidem. Maited mo lang amin na kayat da. Agkakangina bado, sapatos kenda tuma. Top of the line, a cellphone. Anya nangina na. Dumanon langit ti isem ken ragsakta. Apalan nagitipada nga anak, nga awanan uray maysa. Awanan ti oras ni ina. Trabaho latan ter aramidan na. Manmano nga makita digiti anak na. No sumangpet ti balay da, di na pa italyawo ni da. Hi, ma'am. Kasta ka diti ulidan ngay na. Saan gayem ko? Saan nakasta? Saan na kinabaknang ti sapsapunan ti anak? No diket ni nanang asidadaan na tumulong ken ka. Ni nanang nga napnut ayat. Ni nanang nga adda di tabalay no oras nan nga adda. Ni nanang awan apulos ti pampanunuten na no saan na pagsayaatan anak ken pamilya na. Amin na kabalan na ibubus na. Tapno naragsak, natal na ken natalinaay digiti anak na. Itangal daw, idaydayaw tay kuma, digiti inna kastat galad na. Dagiti inna nga baro ken paak danala. Tanawan dawan tayo dito'y lubong kaka. Happy Mother's Day to our mother dear. Today we honor you. We salute you and we love you. May the good Lord bless and keep you. Give you joy, peace, and happiness. Not only today, but until eternity. I just composed this right now, adding ko si Kati Agpilin. Ay, alpas kaya, men. Narito ang aking napiling awitin sa tula naman ng Florentina Charar Sipin, Virginia, USA. At sa mga gustong magpadala ng kanilang tula, you can email me at venbautista@yahoo.com or avelino.bautista@yahoo.com. Hihintayin ko either Tagalog, English, or Ilocano.
Every day I call my mother just to tell her that I love her. That's a thing I'm very proud to say, 'cause I'm so glad to have her. To me, she's like no other. She's the reason I'm the man you see today. How her heart was filled with joy when she saw her little boy. The first time that she held me in her arms. From that moment on, she and Dad were both the ones who cared for me and kept me from all harm. So when you see your mother, tell her that you love her. Hold her like you never wish to part. When this world it seems unfair, she's the one who's always there. My mother means a kindness, loving heart. Since I've grown from boy to man, I've come to understand the love that lives within our mother's heart. That's why I call her every day, if I'm near or far away. Oh, I know someday she and I must part. So always hold her dear as you count each passing year. Say you're sorry if you cause her pain and strife. When it's your birthday, just call her up and say, thank you, Mom, for giving me the gift of life. So when you see your mother, tell her that you love her. Hold her like you never wish to part. When this world it seems unfair, she's the one who's always there. My mother means a kindness, loving heart. When this world it seems unfair, she's the one who's always there. My mother means a kindness, loving heart.
Alright, patuloy po ang shoutout po natin mga kaibigan. A shoutout to Ems FC Music. Have a blessed Sunday to you, my idol. Almarile Salazar, Denia LM, Pearl Kagawas Dison. All right. Salamat po sa 100 stars. Aba, bigyan kayo ni Manang Floor ng 100 stars. DWRS Commander Radio. Salamat po. Okay. Gemma Ocampo, happy listening. Wilma Aquino, Maribeth Feliciano, Yolanda Castro, such a beautiful Tagalog version of this song, such perfectly by Idol. Aba, salamat po. Maridel Ilar Socias, good job Idol Ben, God bless you always. Beth Figueres, Francis Miranda, Annabel Cacho, Marilyn Recelestino Yasol, Maridel. Okay, andyan na. Okay, doble-doble na po mga kaibigan. Diosa Laririta, Susan Bolante, Presentasyon Abad, Mila Mata, Marivic Kupatan Castaneda. Alright. Dito sa Bigan po ay mabuti kaming lahat. Idol, pa-shoutout po mga baluarte vendors at sa lahat ng nanonood. Salamat po. Coming from Marivic Kupatan Castaneda. Aba, yan sa baluarte vendors. Dan yung mga tinda. Baka no, adadaagalatan, no? Ella Tabalan, good high noon. Idol, pa-request ng kantang Rick na Ilocano version. Ay, ano yun? Okay. Sino pa ba? Si Tessa Odadem. Nakakainis, walang wifi, walang kuryente. Dapat gumagapang. Data ay sos apo. Casmir M. Corrales, shout out Idol Corrales family from Sitio Venus, Orense, Narbacan, Ilocos Sur. Kumusta po kayo dyan sa Narbacan? Herminia Barcelona, hello Idol. Eto ulit kami, watching you, listening to your sweet songs. Nakakaaliw, especially your golden voice. God bless us all. Take care always. From Herminia Barcelona. Rose Waine, happy blessed Sunday Idol, praying and hoping for the successful of your operation. We love you. Thank you po, Ma'am Rose. Eleuterio Aproylan, watching from Amianance, Bigan City. Catherine Bautista Caraang from UAE. Arsenia Dalucan, Marciano Valiente. Oh, sino pa mga nandito, mga kaibigan? Mercy Singson, Lani Bueno Camero, Melda Habonete Copuaco, Asile Tejada, Melda Habonete, ayon, na ulit. Lorna Bautista Poral. Here's a beautiful Ilocano song. Para kadagiti padak nga awanen ti inana. Di tiliplipatan nga ikarkararag ti kararwada. Happy Mother's Day.
Hinanang agsingsingket ka, umadayo at inakong sumina, inakong sa pulen no dinak makita, di kan tulong daan no awanak dita den na. Luwag ti marubos no malaglagip ko, ayat kendung mo day dinanang ko, isu ka mga nuada parikot ko, kadliw-liw a enak, numalmal day tuy puso. dagidi adungo ken panagigi ayan yan atuop ti awan inana kaarig nat pataw nga awan sangladan na nagkasatketing tiada pa'y inana mangipaay kaasi ken mangtapaya agdumalaeng agsiumana kunada di nan tumaartapan ipuno nga ina Pinapaalala ko pong nakikinig at nanonood pa rin kayo ng aking mini concert. Ito naman po sa DWRS Commando Radio 97 kHz. Kabaranggan nyo. This is Van Bautista with
Natalie
of
Melbourne, Australia.
Are you ready?
Yes, I do.
Comando Radio, DWRS. Comando Radio, kabaranggayan niyo. Damdama komentaryo, serbisyo publiko. Numero 1 ti Comando Radio.
Solid North Broadcasting System Incorporated, 927 kilohertz.
Comando Radio, DWRS. Comando Radio, kabaranggayan niyo.
Provincial may Ilocos Sur, Intero, Teka Ilocos, Comando Radio kay Manmang ka.
Manipod siyudad, tibigan, nagraman sa ngalubungan. Comando Radio, akapigsaan. Comando Radio, DWRS. Comando Radio, kabaranggayan niyo. Manipod sign on, aging ganat sign off. Dagito'y iprograma mangyagan.
Music, entertainment, news, commentary,
Educational and comedy program. Comando Radio, DWRS. Comando Radio, kabaranggayan niyo.
DWRS.
Yun po ang ating jingle at napakagaling na kasama ko. Aba, narito na po ang ating pinakahihintay, ang Smule Superstars of the Week. Sino-sino kaya mga kaibigan? Hindi ko rin po alam. Malalaman po natin. At nagpapasalamat po ako sa lahat po ng mga Smulers. Salamat at di kayo nagsasawang nakikipag-duet sa akin. Sino pong gustong makipag-duet? O paano makipag-duet sa akin? Download nyo lang po ang Smule application sa inyong phone or iPad, and then create an account, and then follow me, Chino Romero 2024. Marami akong duet doon. Hindi po video call ang pakikipag-duet, kundi sa sa Smule application. Ayan. At sa ngalan po ng ating station manager, Ma'am Rosario Chato Alda, ganon din kay Manang Ami Buagayan, Ate Ami Buagayan, ng ating concert production coordinator. at ang ating sound engineer, Benny Malikad, and the whole staff of TWRS Commando Radio. Maraming salamat po. And narito na po mga kaibigan, ang ating mga Mule Superstars of the Week. Enjoy! This is Van Bautista, aka Chino Romero of California with
Mary,
Oh.
Alabama. This is for you, Ate Madonna. Thank you so much, Ate.
I don't know, but I believe that some things are meant to be, and that you make a better me. Every day I love you.
I never thought that dreams came true, but you showed me that they do. You know that I learned something new. Every day I love you. 'Cause I believe that destiny is out of our control.
And you never leave
Until you love with all your heart and soul.
It's a touch when I feel bad.
It's a smile when I get mad.
All the little things I am.
Every day I love you.
Every day I love you more.
Every day I love you.
'Cause I believe that destiny is out of our control.
And you never leave until you love with all your heart and soul.
If I ask, will you say yes?
Together we're the very best.
I know that I am truly blessed.
Every day I love you.
And I'll give you my very best.
Every day I love you.
Oh yeah.
This is Van Bautista, aka Chino Romero of California with
Ding Santos,
of
Las Vegas.
Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right.
Darling, you can count on me till the sun dries up the sea. Until then, I'll always devoted to you. All right. I'll never hurt you, I'll never lie, I'll never be untrue. I'll never give you reason to cry. I'll be unhappy if you were blue. Through the years my love will grow like a river, it will flow. It can die because I'm so devoted to you.
Ito ni Ben Bautista, kagatwak na lang ako kumakanta, ani?
Katakapi,
Hataga.
UAP.
Tatang nanang adak umakit daw ko, dawat ko tiyaga pa itya niyo, tapno naragsa kamlatangan na kiyo, naunos pa iti panagbiag tayo.
Sika, tatang, ikaunay agbarbarte, tapno ni nanang, saan nga agong unet. Sika met nanang, di ka sa ula sa amangan no madisnog, ni tatang kasubsub mo.
Tatang nanang, da kayo ti pagwadan, pagsanglingan, niyuday talip-lipatan. Tatang nanang, awan ti kasayaatan, no di pa nagpipinateg, iti uneg, ken ti ruwa iti pagtaengan. Sikatatang, di kaunay agbarbartek, tapno ni nanang, saan nga agong unget.
Sika met nanang, di ka sa ula sa amangan no madisnog, ni tatang kasubsub mo.
Tatang nanang, da kayo ti pagwadan, pagsanglingan, diuday talip-lipatan. Tatang nanang, awan ti kasayaatan, no di pa nagpipinateg, iti uneg, ken ti ruwa iti pagtaengan. Tatang nanang, awan ti kasayaatan, no di pa nagpipinateg, iti uneg, ken ti ruwa iti pagtaengan. This is Ben Bautista, aka Chino Romero of California with
Juanita, California.
Ito ang aking pinapangarap, na balang araw ay matutupad. Langit at dagat man ating pagitan, tanging pag-asa, nagbibigay liwanag.
Sana'y dinggin aking pagsusumamo. Minahal kitang tunay, yan ang totoo. Saksi ko ang langit, ikaw lang mahal ko. Pakinggan mo ang sigaw ng puso.
Ikaw lang ang mahal, wala nang iba. Nag-iisang ikaw habang may hininga. Maniwala ka sana, aking sinta, ngayon at kailanman mamahalin kita. Di kita mawawaglik kahit nasaan ako. Ikaw lang ang laman nitong isipan ko. Pangalan mo ang siyang laging isinisigaw. Dito sa puso ko nakaukit ay ikaw.
Manalik ka sana o giliw ko. Hinding-hindi ako magbabago. Pag-ibig ko sa'yo'y di maglalaho. Naging tapat, pakaasahan mo.
Ikaw lang ang mahal, wala nang iba. Nag-iisang ikaw habang may hininga. Maniwala ka sana, aking sinta, ngayon at kailanman mamahalin kita. Ikaw lang ang mahal, wala nang iba. Nag-iisang ikaw habang may hininga. Maniwala ka sana, aking sinta, ngayon at kailanman mamahalin kita. Ngayon at kailanman mamahalin kita. Ngayon at kailanman mamahalin kita.
Thank you, ading ko.
Hello, this is Van Bautista, aka Chino Romero of California with
Parang?
of.
Vienna?
So everyone, hope you like it. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
All right.
Alright, let's go guys, dancing with us.
TikTok sa umaga, TikTok sa gabi, TikTok sa tanghali kahit umiihi. TikTok sa sala, TikTok sa kusina, TikTok ng TikTok, addict na sa TikTok. TikTok, TikTok, parang may katok, parang may katok, parang may katok. TikTok, TikTok, pampawalan ng board, pampawalan ng board, pampawalan ng board.
TikTok, TikTok, hindi napapagod, hindi napapagod, hindi napapagod. TikTok, TikTok, kahit nasa work, kahit nasa work, kahit nasa work.
TikTok sa umaga, TikTok sa gabi, TikTok sa tanghali kahit umiihi. TikTok sa sala, TikTok sa kusina, TikTok ng TikTok, addict na sa TikTok.
TikTok, TikTok, pangabis tungkot, pangabis tungkot, pangabis tungkot. Tiktok, tiktok, sayang dulot, sayang dulot, sayang dulot.
Tiktok, tiktok, kahit koning joke, kahit koning joke, kahit koning joke. Tiktok, tiktok, di ka mababagot, di ka mababagot, di ka mababagot. Tiktok, tiktok, bago matulog, bago matulog, bago matulog.
Tiktok, tiktok, hindi natatapos, hindi natatapos, hindi natatapos.
Tiktok sa umaga, tiktok sa gabi, tiktok sa tanghali kahit umiihi. Tiktok sa sala, tiktok sa kusina, tiktok ng tiktok, adik na sa tiktok. Tiktok ng tiktok, adik na sa tiktok. Tiktok ng tiktok, adik na sa tiktok.
Yeah! Alright! Enjoy ba kayo?
Hello, this is Van Bautista Chino, America, California with...
Geraldine, the idol KSA.
Are you ready
Yes, I am.
to sing
Yes, idol.
and dance?
Of course.
To everyone, we hope you like it.
Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover.
All right.
When I feel the time is right and you're staying by my side, and the love you give to me makes my heart beat.
When my fantasy flies away, but my feelings make me stay. I see the fire in your eyes, it makes my heart beat.
Do it, still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it anyway. Like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover.
When I feel the time is right and you're staying by my side, and the love you give to me makes my heart beat.
When my fantasy flies away, but my feelings make me stay. I see the fire in your eyes, it makes my heart beat. Do it, still do it, night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it anyway. like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. We still do it night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it anyway. Like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Do it, we still do it night and day. You're my all-time lover. Do it, we still do it anyway. Like there is no other. Touch by touch, you're my all-time lover. Skin to skin, come under my cover. Touch by touch, touch by touch.
Made it. Ay, tapos na! Ang bilis naman! Akala ko meron pa. Sana po makinig po ulit at manood po kayo ulit next Sunday. Maraming salamat po sa mga nanonood sa kanilang mga screen or TV screen at ganoon din sa kanilang mga cellphone and iPad at nakikinig sa mga transistor radio. Maraming salamat po. Sana po nakapagbigay po ako ng konting kaligayahan. And once again, Happy Mother's Day sa lahat po ng mga nanay. Alright, ito po ang yabang lingkod, Ben Bautista kay Chino Romero nagsasabing walang ibang mahal si Chino Romero kundi kayong lahat. I love you. Bye-bye.